Me Wise, and today we are playing Don't Press the Button. But this is not just only Don't Press the Button. This is number 2. Now guys, this I have been playing this game like for a long time before. I have been getting some coins. I have 130 coins. So I wanted to go to the shop. So hopefully everybody day was good. Not everybody. But how was your day? Just comment down below if it was good or bad. I don't. Mine was alright. I was going to say, how was your day? That's going to be in the comments probably, if I could get the comments. But how was your day? Yeah, really. So let me use the bubble gum to jump. Okay, let's jump up here. No, no, no. Okay, guys, please only like if you are enjoying the video. If you're not enjoying the video, well, you can exit. You just exit. Just press X, or you could just not be a friend of me. That's all. But guys, if you're enjoying this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos that I upload once in a while, probably. But okay, I can't even do my emotes. So so we gotta get to safety. Okay, we gotta get to safety. Hopefully, I want to get that coin right there, but it's tricking people. What? Okay, we are supposed to go to the that. Okay, so okay, there's coins over there. No, I didn't want to be on the hoverboard. What the? Okay, so I guess we're hang gliding. No, I mean, I guess we're parachuting down. Okay, I got it. Okay, he's cheating with super speed. Okay, so we're gonna hurry up. Jump. What? I didn't even touch that. Okay, guys, this is cheating, like very cheating. Guys, so this is all. Wow, there's lots of us all the way in the back. And okay, okay. It looks like she just going right through it. Like, is she? Okay, let me press the button. Let me press the button. For real. Crap, I want to get those coins. And it's again. Okay, so I guess they're cheating with those things, whatever they are. Oh no. But let's do this again. You see, they are cheating. Okay, so I had got a notification that I missed a call. Okay, I made chapter 5 page. Okay, that's nothing. Oh, I guess it's nothing. I guess I missed a call. I think. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the video. Oh no, my god. So I missed a call from my mom. I think no, I didn't. No, I didn't. Beep beep. Okay. I don't know what they're saying, but okay. Guys, if one more time again, I keep on saying it. Remember to like this video. Like it. Okay. So I just looking outside my window. Oh crap! Now we're trapped. We're trapped. You see, we're trapped. We could have been like that. You know what? I'm just gonna go to the. I'm just gonna die. That's it. Let me get my water over here so I can drink it. Sorry guys, I had to drink my water. I'm tired of this guy with the thing. So it's a noob. The noob. I mean, not the noob. The oof. Okay. Um. Oh my. Why they keep on doing that? Why is everyone getting smaller? I don't know. I'm not small. Okay, I guess that was nothing. Okay, so we're ready for the next one. The epic face. Wow. I have an outfit like this, guys. So probably in the next video, I will be wearing my epic face outfit. Or would it be my t? I think I'm gonna bring out the t-shirt, but you're gonna see. You're gonna see if you. Okay, let's go. 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 Finally, we made it. We made it. We made it to the next side. And they died. So we gotta get launched. Probably. I don't know, but you know, you see we're launched out the sky. Okay, come on, let me try to get these coins. Let your boy get this coin. So I wanna go to the shop. So we have 155. So let's buy the blue fidget spinner. Yeah, we got it. We got it. So guys, if you are enjoying this video, please like it. Okay, okay, okay. I keep on saying that. I keep on saying that. No, just like, okay, just like. Baldi. So this is Baldi, okay? So for some of you who do not know Baldi basics, he's an evil teacher who likes to spank people with his ruler. Trust me, you don't want to go to a school like that. That's child abuse. Right there, that's child. That's lots of child abuse. And parents, wow, they don't do nothing. Like Baldi could get arrested for that. Okay, okay, okay. All those rocks and stuff. Okay, I died. I died. I died. Okay, no, I could have been right on there. Choose, choose the corner red. Yep, everybody's dead. Everybody's dead. Everybody's dead. Pick a corner before time's up. Yep, I told you everybody's dead. Pick a corner before time's up. Okay, so we gotta don't touch the lava. Here we go. Okay. So guys, we can't touch the lava. So we're gonna win this. Let's get our fidget. Okay, no, no. I thought we can do it, but we couldn't though. So only that guy did. Okay. Guys, if you hear music in the background, you just ignore it. That's my brother. Yeah, about to get my water out. Probably soon, but I already drunk some water. Okay, what color, what color, what color, what color? Watch later, okay? Red, red. Okay, I'm on red. Okay, we're on red. 7 says going blue, going blue, going blue. This is my favorite color. 7 says going pink. I hate this color. Well, not really. This color alright though. I don't really hate it. Okay, we're on red. So green. Yes, we're on green. Going yellow, yellow. I used to like this color when I was little. I used to like this color. But now I switched to blue. No, blue's a nice color for me. Okay, everybody died. I don't know how did everybody die, but that was weird. Guys, I had a fidget spinner before in a long time, but I don't play with them anymore. Like that was a long time ago. So get to the other side, okay? Oh, we all gotta fight. What the? Okay. No, stop coming after me. Lots of people just want to come after me. Lots of them just want to come after me. You see, he's still coming after me. Like, leave me alone. And I died. I literally died. Boy, I can't move. Guys, I can't move. Like I can't. Oh no, no I can't. Now I can't. No I can't. Now I can't. Okay, so I pressed the button. Oh, we gotta do that. We gotta do that. Okay, so let's go to the winning spot. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We don't have all day for this. No. Okay, so I guess we couldn't do that. So let me press the button. What do we go? The lava is rising. Get to the top. Where? Okay, I am to the top. So, so where did we go this far? Where did we go? I got to the top. So, okay, that was cheating. Okay, so looks like we won, guys. Okay, we jump high. What the? Okay, you see me, guys? See what? Okay, I'm being okay. This is my face, my light-skinned face. That's that. No, no. Okay, we gotta hurry. We gotta hurry. We gotta hurry. Hurry up and get to safety. And get to safety. Hurry up and get to safety. Okay, we are. Dang. Stop rushing us. Okay, we died. We couldn't do that. We was almost there. We was almost there. Guys, we was almost there. I'm about to drink some of my water. I'm thirsty. My mouth is so dry. What the? Okay. Move. Okay, we made it. We made it. We made it. Get to the other side for the tight on the tightrope. That was easy. So we got. Okay, so let's go to the shop. I want to buy a Black Sea Cola. I love cola, guys. You know what? We're just gonna get let's see a carpet, blow dryer. I don't know what should we get. Okay, how about we get okay, we don't have enough for nothing. We probably do, but not yet though. Let me see if we could buy a cheeseburger. Yes, let's buy that. Oh my god. Okay, okay. Let's okay, we did it, we did it. Okay, let's get that. Let's get that. Oh no. We're still gonna eat the cheeseburger in our head. I was about to say cheeseburger, but it's cheeseburger. Guys, I love burgers that have cheese. Cheese, it's good. I eat dairy. Everybody, not everybody. Not everybody eats dairy. I mean, like drinks. Like you can eat it too. You can eat dairy because dairy's made out of cheese, butter, butter. Sometimes like it's butter. Like dairy is butter too. Like cream cheese. Let's see. You know other stuff. Okay, so this is me. What? Look at the statue of me. That is the statue of me? Wow. Look at that. Okay. So I guess they like me playing this game. Probably. Okay. So I see the statue. It's looking good. It's looking good. Okay. Let's finish this obby again. Here's it again. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, we died again, guys. So that was a little very hard. Not to mention. I guess you can change the statue. But okay, so it changed. Oh, so I guess if you press the button, okay, I died. So I guess if we press the button, you'll get the okay. Why keep on blowing us with that blow dryer? They need to stop. Like, tornado again. Guys, we're kind of a little laggy. Okay, now we're not. We're not laggy. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, okay. We died. We died. We died. I pressed the button. Okay. Oofs. I see the oofs. I see them. I see them. Okay. I thank God we have head. Yeah, I thank God. But I thank God we have headphones on. You know, we really have headphones on. Finally. Okay, so we gotta make it to the other side. Okay, so what do we should we do? Just standing here. Okay, that's cheating. That's cheating, man. That's they cheating. And I got blown off the map again. Cause, guys, I'm tired of them with the blow dryer. We're gonna put these in the inventory. We're gonna eat the cheeseburger.
Can I have cheeseburgers? Cheeseburgers.